Hello everyone. I hope all of you will be doing well. I'm Dr. Ritu Mohan and welcome you all on my YouTube channel Communication for Success. My today's video is based on some terms that we are using when we are learning from home. So today's video is about the terms which are in trend due to online or e-learning. So let us start. The first one is Learning Management System, LMS. It's a software platform for the delivery and reporting training courses or educational programs. Next one is Learning Record Store. It's a database that stores, manages, and performs analysis on learning data. Next one is Learning Analytics. The measurement, collection, analysis, and reporting of data accumulated during an online learning activity. Next one is learning data. Information that is produced about an individual or a group of learners during the completion of an online learning course. This is called as learning data. Next one is learning tools interoperability, LTI, a standard of cross system operability created by the IMS Global Learning Consortium. This is called as learning tools interoperability. Next one is API, application programming interface. It's a set of functions and procedures that allow the creation of applications which assess the features of data of an operating system, application, or other services. The next one is online social learning, a learning concept recognizing that undertaking training, educational courses in a collaborative form in which ideas can be discussed and concepts freely explored contributes to much higher engagement and retention than more traditional teacher learner environments. That is called as social learning or online social learning. Next one is synchronous learning, SL. It's a course structure that dictates that learners must assess and consume an online course simultaneously regardless of geographical location. Next one is asynchronous learning, AL, the ability for learners to assess and consume an online course at different times. Next one is MOOCs, massive open online course. It means an online course delivered to large number of users at any one time. MOOCs can be applied for both corporate training and the delivery of educational content. Next one is curating learning content. The sourcing, organization, and the presentation of content or media is called as curating learning content. Next one is blended learning. It means an educational syllabus that combines multiple media types with a combination of offline and online learning, often a blend of classroom environments and learning. Next one is courseware. Courseware refers to any instructional software that is delivered on a computer. Instructional design. Instructional design involves the identification of the performance, skill, and knowledge gaps of a particular group of people and creating or selecting learning experience that close this gap. Interactive multimedia. Interactive multimedia allows learners to provide input to an online course and receive feedback as a result of input. Next one is self-paced learning. Self-paced learning refers to the type of instruction that allows a person to control the flow of courseware. It implies the learning environment is asynchronous. Next one is webinar. This term is in trend. A webinar is a seminar or workshop in which the facilitator and the participants view the same screen at the same time. Next one is active learning. Active learning means it's a strategy actually focused on encouraging learners to actively participate in training. This approach prompts learners to read, discuss, and solve problems in order to synthesize course content. Online assessment. And online assessment evaluates what learners has learned. This can come in the form of quizzes, surveys, questionnaires, etc. Podcast. Podcasts are the digital audio files used by millions of listeners to learn about a huge range of subjects. Next one is problem based learning, a learner centered approach that is similar to scenario based learning. In this approach, learners are presented with a problem and gain knowledge from the development of a solution. The next term is question pool. A question pool, also known as question bank, is a group of reusable questions from which an exam or survey can be created. Next one is SME, Subject Matter Expert, an individual with specialist knowledge about a topic or subject area covered in a course is commonly referred to as a subject matter expert. Instructional designers collaborate with subject matter experts to develop engaging content that is informed and accurate beyond the expertise of their own domain. The last one is zone of proximal development. Developed by a Soviet psychologist Lev Vygotsky, the ZPD theory examines what a learner can achieve with and without the help of an instructor. So this is very important term. I will sum up with some quotations or saying towards online learning. The first one is keep learning, embrace new experiences and see opportunities and surprise yourself. The next one is e-learning doesn't just happen, it requires careful planning and implementation. And a survey shows that e-learning increases retention rates up to 60%. And the last one by Elliot Massey is that e-learning is changing and we see new models, new technologies and designs emerge. So let us drop the E or at least give it a new or wider definition. Means it's not e-learning but just learning. I hope you have liked this video. Since the terms were very technical related to online learning, but I hope it have enhanced your vocab. Please provide me your feedback towards this video. I'll be back with a new video related to vocab, but that video will be about the general vocab, not the technical one. But must provide me with your feedback. Till then, be safe, be healthy, be kind, and be vegetarian, please. Thank you.